Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore various methods to earn money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or want to establish a full-time online business, these proven strategies can help you achieve your goals. So, let's dive in and discover the exciting world of making money on the internet. Method 1: Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model that allows you to run your own online store without the need for inventory. Here's how it works: you set up a store and list products from suppliers. When a customer places an order, the supplier handles shipping and fulfillment. Your profit comes from the difference between the wholesale and retail prices. It's a low-risk way to start an online business, but you need to focus on marketing and customer service. Method 2: Freelancing. Freelancing is a popular option for individuals with specific skills. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management to clients on a project basis. Freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr connect you with potential clients, and you have the flexibility to choose the projects that interest you. Building a strong portfolio and delivering quality work are key to attracting clients and earning a good income. Method 3: Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale or referral. You can join affiliate programs of companies and promote their products through various channels, such as your website, blog, or social media. Building trust with your audience and choosing products relevant to your niche are essential for success in affiliate marketing. Method 4: Online surveys and market research. Companies are always seeking feedback from consumers to improve their products and services. By participating in online surveys and market research studies, you can earn money or rewards for sharing your opinions. Many survey platforms offer a variety of topics and allow you to choose surveys that match your interests. While it may not be a significant income source, it can be a convenient way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Method 5: Creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, creating and selling online courses can be a profitable venture. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to create comprehensive courses and sell them to a global audience. Develop engaging and informative content, provide value to your students, and market your courses effectively to maximize your earnings. Method 6: YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel allows you to showcase your skills, share knowledge, and entertain an audience while earning money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Find a niche that you're passionate about, create high-quality videos, optimize them for search engines, and engage with your viewers to grow your channel. Method 7: Blogging. Blogging is a long-term strategy for making money online. Start a blog focused on a specific niche and consistently create valuable content. You can monetize your blog through ads, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products or services. It requires dedication, quality content, and effective promotion to attract an audience and generate income. Method 8: Social media influencer. If you have a strong presence on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, you can collaborate with brands for sponsored posts, product promotions, or brand endorsements. Building an engaged and loyal following is crucial for becoming a successful social media influencer. Choose brands that align with your values and provide value to your audience to maintain authenticity. Method 9: E-commerce. Setting up your own e-commerce store allows you to sell physical or digital products directly to customers. Platforms like Shopify provide user-friendly tools to create an online store with integrated payment gateways and shipping options. You can source products from wholesalers, create your own unique products, or even dropship products from suppliers. Method 10: Online coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in a specific field, you can offer online coaching or consulting services. Whether it's business coaching, fitness training, or personal development, many people are willing to pay for personalized guidance and support. Build your reputation, showcase your expertise, and provide value to your clients to establish a successful coaching or consulting business. Remember, each method requires effort, dedication, and continuous learning. Explore different opportunities, find the ones that resonate with you, and be willing to adapt as you learn and grow. The internet provides endless possibilities, so embrace the journey and start your path to earning money online. That wraps up our video on ways to make money online. We hope you found these detailed explanations helpful and inspiring. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.